Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Dirt Days, 30 days of excavation videos. So if you watched the last one, which would have been posted yesterday, it was an estimating video, but we started off the video, we're on this new build project. We got started on the backfill of the exterior of this house. So you saw it, we were complaining about a bunch of stuff that was in the way, which is true. But Evan got this done, got it all roughed in. So we're gonna be back a third visit, basically after construction for more of a final grade, because we gotta build all this up with fill from the driveway. So tons of dirt that has to come in here. But Brad is working now on the basement. So usually we want to backfill a basement before framing is done, so we have access. As you saw in the last video, that this house is all framed out. So it's a walkout, which is sweet, but we didn't get a chance to backfill the basement. So we are doing that right now with this guy. So crawling in here, backfilling, getting everything level to grade. We're just about there. We've been at it since, well, Brad's been at it since 8 this morning. It's about 2 o'clock now. We should be done by about 4 now that 2 of us are here. So laying down the clear stone, grading, compacting everything. I'm gonna start helping him now. Like I said, this one's gonna be short. Some of these are gonna be long, some of these are gonna be short. Just depends on the day, but I'm trying to get 30 videos in 30 days. So I will show you guys the completed project here in a bit. Okay, we didn't film a ton or the whole process because truthfully we were a little annoyed with this whole deal. Not how we drew it up, not how we planned to do it. Had we planned to do it this way, then we would have scheduled for it. But this job realistically should take one guy about 4 hours to do if we had our skid loader. It took us 2 guys, total of probably, well, one guy put in 10 hours, I put in about 8. So it took a lot longer, but turned out good. We're all up to grade within an inch for both the inside of the house and the outside of the house. So this is going to be a patio area, and it's going to go around to here. So time to load that up, load this up, and head home. That's a wrap on this video. See ya tomorrow.